Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And today I searched up some videos and saw this. And also this. You might be wondering, is this a regular paper airplane? But no. I saw the video. And this has the longest distance in the world. Apparently that's what the video said, so don't believe everything you see, but I don't know. I think you have to get it from high, but there's not a lot of room in my house, so I can throw it. I mean, it might look like there's a lot of room, but look at what happens. It just like hits the wall or something like that. And now this one just goes like this. It just spins in the air. Maybe you guys can get it from down here. Spins in the air. Let me try to read it to you guys. Just gonna keep on turning. Oh yeah. These are some pretty cool papers. It took a lot of tries to do them. A lot of paper. Can't forget about this one. Oh, that was beautiful. I kind of messed up right there. Fix up the wing.
So let's see if we can get that scratch on video here. Obviously I don't really want to talk too much crap about my own engine, but it is there. I do want to talk about it.
I'm gonna throw it so you guys can see it. That's why it's hitting the ground. The hell? Wow. I wish my camera was right there. It just went so smooth, it just glided in the sky once it hit the wall. It just went like this. It just flew, hit the wall, and then turned and then got into that position and just glided up and then went down. That was so nice. I wish you guys could see it. See, what's the problem? There's a lot of walls here, so it gets hit by one of those and it messes up the entire thing. Unlike the other one, that goes so smooth in the sky. You know what? I'm just gonna throw it as light as I can. Yeah. Not even as light as I can. Let me do it actually as light as I can. See, that's as light as I can do it. Now this is as hard as I can do it. Wow. I think did so many barrel rolls. If you guys want, you can replay this video and see how many barrel rolls that thing did. Go to the camera. Wow. You don't go like. Wow, that's fucking beautiful. I wonder if you guys saw that. What the beauty thing that did. Wow. It's like whenever I don't know if you guys have noticed, but if you see, it has these. And you might be thinking, oh, you just did it wrong. No. This is how it's actually made. Now these, when you're doing it, you're supposed to put them in. So that way when you throw, this is when it activates. It goes like this and it gets all the air. And then once it gets high enough, boom, they pop open, get more air resistance, and boom, go up. Actually, it's hitting the ground because there's more gravity hitting it whenever it goes lower. Whenever I throw it, that's air resistance. And when it was going down, that's when it was actually getting gravity on it. See? You saw how it went up? That's air resistance. Then it went down, which is gravity. And gravity's always pushing on this thing. It just resists for a few seconds and then bop, down it goes. No stopping it. And these can also be for helping it stay longer in the sky. But these right here help it stay. I can help it stay on balance and do some barrel rolls. And if you see, it might look like I'm just controlling this wing up here, but no. Controlling that thing down there. So wherever this goes, that's where the wings go. See how it goes down whenever I push it in? And then whenever I pull it out, they go out. See? So if these things go like this, and that's when it starts flying even better, bro. When they're just like a little down, like that. Like that. So yeah, this is basically just control it. It's like a little parachute, not a parachute. Seen those videos where the people like, pretend like they're skydiving, yeah. Like you seen those? They have like or it's like they have like a parachute or like something that looks like paper, and then whenever they go down, they just glide across the sky. And then boom, snap. This is it. We're gonna do one more throw with the other one, and that's it. Ow. That one's actually terrible. Let me do it harder. Oh, that's all messed up right there. That was perfect. But you see, whenever I hit it, I was holding on to this one. So when I hit it, it just went like that. And then this wing opened up, which made it completely turn off direction. So, how did that happen? What?